Verbo to be, present. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, you are, we are, they are. Past. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, you were, we were, they were. Future. I will be, you will be, he will be, she will be, it will be, you will be, we will be, they will be. E aqui um desafio para vocês. My friend and I, blank partners.